Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be showing you my DVHS D-Theatre high definition videotape collection. This is films on a videotape that were read by a special digital VCR that output in the picture quality of 1080i, which stands for interlaced. So it's full HD, just on a videotape, so you're talking same quality as a Blu-ray and HD DVD, and better quality than Muse Laserdiscs. So I'm just going to start and show you what we've got. First one I've got is X-Men. These are getting really rare and expensive now. Look, they're just a normal videotape, but it's got a higher quality oxide on the tape. Got X-Men 2. The Mummy. Really like this film, need to watch that again. Biker Boys. Never watched this, don't know anything about it, it doesn't really appeal to me. Fight Club, which is one of my all-time favourite films. Brilliant is Fight Club. Meatloaf and his soft man tits, love it. Ice Age. Good film, like Ice Age. Runaway Jury. Never watched that one either, don't know anything about it. League of Extraordinary Gentlemen. Seen this, it's average. The Ring. Pretty good little horror flick. The Japanese version is superior though. National Lampoon's Van Wilder. College flick type thing. Quite funny. Did like that one. Really good film. Independence Day. ID4. Show you edge labels as well. Fast and Furious 2 or Too Fast Too Furious, depends on where you're from. Daredevil. Not watched this one, I think I should. It actually looks pretty damn good. I like superhero movies. Yeah, pretty good. These are all NTSC, by the way. There was no PAL D-Theatre tapes. These are all from America. Planet of the Apes, really good one. Really like this one. Another one that I quite like, Entrapment. U2571. No, U571, not 2571. I always call it 2571 for some reason. Don't know why. Yeah, really good submarine film. Time Machine. Only seen this like once, but I think the original is better. That I've got on Laserdisc. Yeah, better. Another one that I've not seen. I think it's Man on Fire. Man on Fire. Yeah. Yeah. Not seen that one. Quite rare though. Next one is Peacemaker. Again, not seen that one. Can't really tell you much, guys. One of my all-time favourite films now, Die Hard. Good Christmas flick. Moulin Rouge. I have seen this one, but many years ago, not on video. I've seen it on TV at Christmas or something like that. Another of my all-time favourite films, Terminator 2, Judgment Day. Stallone, First Blood, or Rambo 1, depends where you're from. That's a good one. Another good one, Day After Tomorrow. Really funny one. I want some ice cream. What flavour? Doesn't matter. It's for my ass. Backdraft. Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. Behind Enemy Lines. I have seen this. It's quite actually a good film. I like this quite a bit. I watched it first on DVD when it first came out on DVD before I got the DVHSs though. Galaxy Quest. This is really good. I like Galaxy Quest. The first Fast and the Furious. We've seen Fast and Furious 2 over there. Well, this is the first Fast and the Furious. Phone Booth. Seen that before, but not on DVHS. Something About Mary. However you pronounce that, Transporter, I think it's pronounced. Transporter? Yeah, Transporter. I haven't seen that one. True Lies, another Schwarzenegger film that I've got. And a really good one, I, Robot. I like this one a lot. I've seen this quite a few times. That's it for the movies, but I've also got a sealed DVHS head cleaning tape that's still boxed. I don't know why I picked this up. I just think it's because it says DVHS. I thought, oh yeah, that's extra cool because it's just the same as a standard cleaning tape. It's not any better or worse. It's just a cleaning tape that just happens to say head cleaning DVHS on it. So I got that because it said DVHS. But yeah, that's it guys. If you want to see one of these machines in action, I'll link below the video of me demonstrating my player, which is just here. Actually here, you can see the little flap coming down. Yeah, that's a DVHS machine. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this quick look at my DVHS D-Theatre tapes, and I'll see you in the next one guys. Bye.